Hey everyone, Lexi here from EnglishWithLexi.com. In this lesson, I will explain the present perfect in 5 minutes or less, and then you can practice. All right, let's go. First, you create your present perfect by using the present form of have plus the past participle of the verb. Let's compare it to the simple past. The simple past is used when an action occurred at a specific time in the past. For example, I went to the park yesterday. I saw a movie on Monday. Both specific times. That's not the same for present perfect. Present perfect is used for a time in the past that is not specific. You cannot say, I have gone to the park yesterday, or I have seen a movie on Monday. Both of those are wrong. For present perfect, the time is in general, not specific. So you would say, I have gone to the park, or I have seen a movie. The present perfect is used for unspecific, general times in the past, not specific points in the past. Now, let's look at a timeline. In simple past, if you went to the park yesterday, this is what your timeline would look like. Same with if you saw a movie on Monday. This is what your timeline would look like. Do you see how there is a specific point on the timeline? That is simple past. Now let's look at a present perfect timeline. In present perfect, if you say, I have gone to the park, this is what your timeline looks like. You see how there is no specific point in time? It is in general. Same with the other one. I have seen a movie. You see how there are no specific points on the timeline? Because it was an action in the past, in general, no specific time. So, to sum and to clarify, for simple past, the action occurred at a specific point in the past. But for present perfect, there is no specific point. The action occurred in general in the past. Isn't present perfect so easy? There you have it. Present perfect in 5 minutes or less. Now let's practice the difference. I will ask a question, you practice and answer. Okay, simple past. Tell me where you ate on Friday. I ate on Friday at my house. Okay, now let's do the present perfect. Tell me where you have eaten. Okay, I have eaten at restaurants, at people's houses, anywhere. I have eaten in many places. One more. Did you go to the market yesterday? No, I did not go to the market yesterday. Have you been to the market at all in your life since birth? Yes, I have been to the market. I went to the market 2 days ago, not yesterday. You see? Do you like how I explain? Do you want more practice? Well, go to EnglishWithLexi.com and make an appointment with me, and we can go over some more English fun. English, simple, easy, and relevant. Bye, guys. See ya.